Fall asleep till after 3.
Morning, Bobby.
I didn't fall asleep till after 3 and I got up at 5:40. Guess how I feel today? Tired.
Why are your eyes so red?
I'm tired.
Okay.
I wish it was because of something fun, but no.
All right, morning.
Tired.
Morning, guys. Working on the 61 on Lancia.
Yeah, what'd you do, Burnsy?
I got underneath the dash finally.
You fit?
Kind of, when the seat's out.
Damn.
Worked on. Oh, let's get the light on.
You squish some,
Squish my...
you squish some fat?
Yep. Finally got the rat's nest from underneath the dash. Working on jets.
That is a hot mess.
Yes. You know, and they just shoved it up there, so it took me a minute.
Chasing what's there.
Yep, chasing what's there.
What's what?
So I can leave the light loom in there for the tail lights and the headlights. So that's what I'm working on right now, just getting it all detangled. Detangled. Got it all.
Shampoo that does that.
Yes, there is. I think it's Schwa for kids.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you had to buy that for Riley.
Yes. But otherwise,
Got some fur.
yeah, no more harness besides for the headlights and the turn signals here, guys. But all...
You got all that stuff off the trans?
Yes, sir.
It's good because we got to pull that out eventually.
It's all sitting right here.
Nice.
Right here in this box. And we're going to save all that stuff.
Wow,
so
that's good wire. I mean, that's going to be useful someday for something. Or we could be like tweakers and get $9 for that and be like, "Whoo, I want some crack."
Dude, that's not $9 anymore. That's like 9 cents.
That's enough for peanut butter and a crack sandwich.
He would know.
No, I wouldn't. Trust me. Nothing comes up my nose but tissues when I have a nosebleed.
All right, guys. Anyways, we'll get back right to you when this is all out.
Yay, more fun.
Yay.